Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show how you can create a similar pattern on your blog theme. So I built this pattern from scratch, and will show how you can easily make a pattern on your website. So I already uploaded the related medias on media library. I will just use these media files, and we are using WordPress default 2025 WordPress theme, and let's create a page where we will design this pattern. So for making the pattern, let's give it a name, service pattern, and then I will just hit publish. Let's visit the page. It's now empty. We will see the progress here, and let's start building our pattern from here. So for building this pattern, I will insert a cover block first, cover, and we will upload the background image. So after that, we need to select the full width from here, and then we will adjust the overlay, like this overlay here. I added some custom color for my design. So this one is orange sky and the overlay color, so I just selected the overlay color and increase the opacity to 70 or 80%. So it looks something really light. And after that, I will add a column block here, like 50-50, and let's check our design. I can see the left side is narrower than the right side, so we need to adjust this width on our columns. So if I visit the columns block again, here I will set the width for left column to 40% and the right side to 60%. In the column, we can add some margin, like if I visit the style tab, and here increase the margin here, like let's give it a regular margin. And after that, in this column, we will add our contents, like we need to add this our services text. So let's add a paragraph block and write our services, and this text will be medium, and then we will select the bold, and then we need to make it uppercase, so letter case, and then select the uppercase. And after that, we will change the text color to this orange. And next part is this title. So I just copied this, and here we will add a heading block, and here I added the heading. So let's change it to H3, and then we need more space, like let's select this column and then make it to wide width, so our content get enough space. And after that, let's hold the shift key and hit enter. Let's select the medium, X large, this one, and we can make it bold, so it looks like this one. We need to add this paragraph, so let's copy the paragraph, and here I will just paste it twice. After that, we need a button block, like these buttons, so I'll just add buttons, and here I will just add learn more and contact us. Learn more. So let's change the button color to white. Background color will be white, and text color will be this sky color, and the font, let's check, it will be uppercase. So let's change this one to medium and bold, and then we will just change to letter case to uppercase. Let's make it small so it looks more natural, and after that we will just duplicate this button, and then we will just change the background to sky color and text to white, so it looks opposite to this one. So let's save the pattern for now and check in the front end. So I think we can add more spacing here. For doing this, I will select the cover block, and here I will add some padding to top and bottom to regular, so it's look more natural now. After that we will work on these items, so services items. For doing this, in right side I will add a grid, and here in grids I will add a stack first, so we can add items below one another. So first of all I will add the image block, and here I will add in this save money icon. So select this one again and set the width to 70 pixel, and then I will add another block add after. So let's copy the text from here, money making tricks. After that I will select the font size to medium and make it bold, and then I will select the stack block again, so I can make it justify item to center and align to middle. After that, in stack I will give a background of white, and let's add some padding on it. And both side I added some padding, and then I will select this text and make it center align again. So our item is ready. Now I will add this hover effect on this item. So for doing this I will just select the stack block again, and here I will go to advanced section, and here I will select service item. Let's copy this class, and then go to select this image again, and here I will add a class called service item img. So I will just hit save, and if you visit you will see the item is added but hover not working. So I will just click on this edit site. Let's open in a new tab, and here we will visit this styles section. In styles sections you will see this triple dot and click on additional css. So here I will add this plus, and then when someone will hover on this item box, the image will be translate to 20% top, like transform, translate y to minus 20 pixel. So let's set this and see what happened actually. So if someone hover on this item box, it will hover, but it will move up, but then we need to add a transition effect like this ing, and then here I will add the transition transform 0.3 second is, and then if I visit the page again, so if you hover, it will move slightly. So we can another thing we can adjust is we can give some spacing in between these two columns. So for doing this, let's select the columns block that is the parent of this two column, and here we can just add some block spacing like in left and right to regular. And if you check the page again, you will see some spacing added here. And after that, let's select the stack block again, and here we will just duplicate this 6 times. So it's already duplicated, and here we just need to change this icon and text. So this one will be this love icon. So let's replace the icon with this one, and in the text I will now change all the images and text in the background so we can save some time. So our pattern is ready, and if you check, the pattern is responsive as well. So let's check this with this one, and if I move down and decrease the width, you will see the pattern is responsive, and this way you can easily build pattern like this one. I hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.